How to hide your comments from friends on Facebook. So basically, if you go here to your Facebook and try to hide your comments on posts from your friends on Facebook, or you don't want them to see your comments on posts. For example, this one, if you long press this, you will be only given a these options. You will only be given how to reply, edit, delete, and copy. Now, the thing here is whenever you comment on others' posts, your friends might, or there is a high possibility that they will see your comments on that post. So as I have mentioned, even though if you click on that or go to your settings, you won't be able to see a specific options where you can hide your comments from your friends on Facebook. So basically, the only way for you to hide your comments is, of course, to delete your comment on that specific post so that your friends won't be able to see that. And again, still do not have the options or the Facebook still don't have the option to hide your comments from friends on your Facebook. So whenever you comment publicly or on your own post, they will they will still see your comments if they see that specific post. And basically that is it. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.